Hello, I'm Dr. Tim Jennings with your Mental Health Minute. Have you been moody, tired all the time, or more forgetful than usual? How are you sleeping? There are 4 physical requirements to life: air, water, food, and sleep. Deprive yourself of any of these life requirements and your ability to function will suffer. Sleep deprivation alters normal brain function, impairing memory and attention, increasing irritability, and has been associated with increased risk of diabetes, obesity, and depression. Sleep deprivation impairs driving as severely as alcohol intoxication. Adults require 7.5 to 8 hours of sleep per night, adolescents 9 to 10, and children 11 to 12. If you're struggling to get enough sleep, avoid caffeine, establish a regular sleep routine, ensure your bedroom is conducive to sleep, and if these measures don't work, see your doctor. To be smart requires a healthy brain, so be smart, don't stress, and get regular rest.
To learn more about mental health, visit comeandreason.com.